on this episode of SnackX, we're going to try the dessert called Dirt. I've never heard of this dessert before. This is actually a dessert from Randy's childhood memories. I can't wait to try it. And we're going to show you in the next clip how to make the dessert from scratch. So stay tuned to that.
Yep. So back in elementary school, you know how before people had like serious allergies and stuff like that, they would actually either make cupcakes or a cake on birthdays. And I remember one of my close friends' mother, this is actually the first time that I had dirt, made this, and I was like, oh my God, what is this? It had everything that I loved. I loved Oreo, I loved pudding, and I liked gummy worms. So it hooked me from that day on. And then I've been telling Debbie about this, like, yeah, my childhood, my favorite childhood dessert was called dirt.
Yep.
So today we made it, and this is the first time she's gonna try it.
I can't wait.
This is the first time you guys are gonna see her try it and see what her reaction is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys enjoy dirt if you make it on your own.
All right, this is how you start with the dirt. You grab the chocolate pudding. You grab 2 cups of milk. Stir it up. Debbie's kind of slow here. Yeah, so I ended up grabbing the mixer. All right, all done. All right, now we have to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. You grab the Oreos, you put it in a bag. This is my own little secret, even though it might be secret for all. Put any kind of cover over it, like a towel or paper towel. Crush it up. Crush it up some more. Make sure it's really fine. Then you put it in a bowl, get it prepped. All right, I grabbed 2 cups. Now I'm gonna fill up the cups with pudding halfway up. All right, we're making this one a little fancy using Godiva. It has a mousse texture to it. Then we grab the Oreos, cover the top. This is what's supposed to resemble dirt. All right, nice and covered up. Next, the gummy worms. Making them look realistic. And I ate one, and there you have it. There's dirt. Nice and easy.
I'm so ready, so let's get ready to try this. Ready?
It has that.
It is so good.
And then you got your little gummy worm. So it gives you best of both worlds. That crunchy, the creamy.
Yes. Wow. I highly recommend you guys try making this. It's so good.
I highly recommend you to make this if you have a small loved one, godchild, a
grandchildren.
child, grandchildren. Very quick. This actual, we made like what, 4 cups?
Yeah, we made 4 cups
little small
total.
cups. And it only cost us around, I think it was $4.
Yeah.
So I instead of the big Oreos, I got mini Oreos. They were like $1 something. I got the Godiva pudding. Sorry, Hershey's, no offense. But I wanted to get that little mousse flavor that I got out of this. But that was like about $2, and then the gummy worms is $1.
Wow.
So this is a good little treat for your loved ones, and you can actually do it in different ways. If you want to make it more healthy, you can get the Oreo thins with the almond milk yogurt or almond milk pudding. Yeah. You can definitely customize this the way you like. Some people put whipped cream. Some people even put cherries in there.
Oh, wow.
Wow. So
guys, I really do recommend trying this dessert. I can't even stop eating it. It's just amazing. I love it.
I told her. And the thing about Debbie is she listens to you, but you have to show proof. And I brought the proof today in this dirt.
We have the proof in the pudding. Is that how it goes?
Yeah,
The
that was good.
Proof in the pudding?
That was good.
Right, guys. So that was our episode.
See you later.
See you guys in the next episode of SnackX. Bye, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell above, and give this video a thumbs up.